Ever wondered how to jumpstart your photovoltaic plant controller engineering project? Configuring a PPC can be complex, but our ready-to-use template import process simplifies it. In this video, you'll learn to create a new project, add a CPU device, import a pre-built template, and overwrite default settings. First, open the project creation interface. Enter a project name, define the project folder, for example, My First PPC, and specify the storage location. Next, assign a wallet and create an 8-digit password. Remember, this is crucial for future project exchanges. Confirm the project details and the system will generate your project. You'll see a new tab with your project name. Next, add and select SICAM A8000 CPU as the device type, and choose in this case CP8031. A new device named New Device will be created. This device is empty. As you can see, the device initially has no hardware, functionalities, communication, or signals. Navigate to the Retrieve Device Import function, select the TGZ file, and confirm the import. You see a wallet query. Ignore this for now. Confirm any data security overwrite notifications. Check that the device name has changed, review the hardware configuration, and verify that all signals are imported and available. The PPC template provides a streamlined setup with pre-configured hardware, protocols, and signals ready for your customization. Start your efficient PPC project today by importing this powerful template and accelerate your plant design process. In the next videos, I will show you the entire application structure and explain how to adapt the application step by step to your specific needs.